Good evening, this is Kurt Buffalo from the National Weather Service in Amarillo. We just wanted to spend a few minutes to update you on the next round of winter weather to impact the Panhandles over the next several days. With this next bout of winter weather, there are going to be two prime concerns. The first being some dangerously cold conditions, with air temperatures expected to remain below freezing from tonight through Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. During this time, we'll see wind chills fall to 5 to 10 degrees below zero during the overnight and morning hours, and possibly even colder than this across the northern panhandles by Saturday and Sunday mornings. So with this extended period of cold weather, we may see some problems with freezing of pipes, maybe some automobile troubles, and other associated damage that comes along with such cold conditions. The second concern will be some snowfall across the area. In general, we're looking for amounts in the 1 to 3 inch range across most of the area, but we could see some locally higher amounts up to around 5 inches Thursday and Thursday night. And then we'll see another round of light snow possible by Saturday night into Sunday, dropping possibly amounts high as 1 to 3 inches across the northern panhandles during this time. So the main time frames of concern for the snowfall will come Thursday through Thursday night, and again during the daytime on Sunday. And with this snowfall and the bitter cold temperatures, may see some hazardous road conditions develop. There are currently several watches, warnings, and advisories in place across the area. All of the panhandles are in a winter weather advisory from midnight tonight through 9 a.m. Friday morning. As you head further to the south and to the east, we have some winter storm watches and warnings in effect, and even some ice storm warnings as you head into southeast Oklahoma and northeast Texas. And as you do work further south and east away from the panhandles into Oklahoma and north Texas, we're concerned about some significant freezing rain and icing and potential significant ice storm across this area. So if you have any travel plans into Oklahoma or towards the Wichita Falls or Dallas areas, be aware that travel conditions may become very treacherous over the next couple of days. Taking a look at how the precipitation may evolve across the panhandles, look at a few forecast radar images here. By 8 a.m. Thursday, we're thinking might see a fairly narrow snow band start to develop across the area, and then through the day on Thursday, that may broaden out a little bit, slowly shift to the south and east, as you can see here by 6 p.m. Thursday evening. And then heading towards midnight Thursday night, we think that first band may start to fade, and then see a little more widespread but perhaps lighter snowfall overspread the area, with another band perhaps starting to impact the southern and southeast Texas panhandles. And then by early Friday morning, around sunrise, most of that snowfall should be shifting out of the panhandles off to the south and east. So as far as snowfall totals go, again, we're looking for 1 to 3 inch amounts on average across the area. But again, we think we'll see a couple of snow bands set up. Exactly where these develop is always very difficult to pin down. But where those bands do develop, could see some locally higher amounts, likely in the 3 to 5 inch range. Looking ahead to the Sunday time frame, again, some more light snow as possible starting later Saturday night into Sunday. I think any heavier amounts will be up across the Oklahoma Panhandle into Colorado and Kansas, where we may see some 1 to 3 inch amounts, but for most of the area, amounts probably around an inch or less. Again, the overall hazards with this round of winter weather over the coming days, going to be mainly the dangerously cold conditions and some light snowfall accumulations. Potential for any heavier snow of 6 inches or more is fairly low at this point. Also not really anticipating any freezing drizzle or icing across the panhandles, and really no threat of a blizzard or ice storm developing for the panhandles. So just to summarize, again, get ready for some dangerously cold weather with temperatures remaining below freezing tonight through Tuesday or possibly even into Wednesday and next week. Sub-zero wind chills during the overnight and morning hours through this time as well. And then also some light snowfall will affect the area. On average, looking for 1 to 3 inches, with locally higher amounts up to around 5 inches wherever those narrow snow bands set up. and then another round of light snow possible late Saturday night into Sunday. With this light snow and the cold weather, be prepared for some hazardous road conditions developing. So thanks for tuning in to this briefing. As always, you can get the latest information from our website or by following us on Twitter or Facebook. Thanks again, and stay warm and safe out there.